saw the world crumbling, and that's alright with me, 'cause as it burned, it was you and me, and that's alright with me. 'Cause in the eye of this hurricane, at the gates of eternity, I know if it's you and me, that's alright with me. King and a fool, they were alright with me. I'd give them all for one day with you. It's forever to me. 'Cause in the eye of this hurricane, at the gates of eternity, I know if it's you and me, that's alright with me. Let the first sound you hear be a beating heart, it's beating bright, it's beating bold. When your eyes come to me, I'm humbled constantly, a supernova inside. In the rising and fall of the mountains in your breath, there are dreams, there are dreams. Remember, yours is the heart that paints the world very best in the colors of your life. So be kind, have courage, treat yourself with dignity. Walk tall, speak sweetly, and be brave enough to leave. 'Cause when you're caught in the darkness that comes over me, remember yours is a light that the darkness cannot be. That yours is a light darkness cannot be. May you find that your heart, it burns as big as your mother's, and your smile just as bright. Remember grace when you fall and turn to shadows like your father, and the words to make it right, make it right. Stand tall, speak sweetly, be brave enough to leave. It's when you're caught in the darkness, it comes over me. Remember your